Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Printify account. So first you may want to head over to printify.com and you can click either of these two. You can start with clicking on get started or the sign up button. You will then be redirected to the sign up or register page. And to start creating an account, you can start by adding an email address and the password. Also, make sure that you check this I am not a robot or I am a human verification, then proceed by clicking on the sign up button. So, before you can log in and proceed to your account dashboard, you will have to go through this few on screen prompts, starting with what brings you to Printify. So, just select the best answer for you. And the next question is what best describes you? So you can choose if you're an artist, content creator, if you're a business owner, individual, agency, or NGO. Or you can also choose nothing from these choices applies to you. Or also you can just choose you're just exploring. Depending on your answers, you should be redirected to your Printify dashboard. And you can now start using and enjoying Printify's features. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!